Yes, he's still alive. He's at the hospital.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Ben. Now we're going to have Patrick take a turn.
There's some that is by an office and died by himself.
That's right. Okay, it's Patrick's turn now. Thank you, Ben.
Welcome.
Okay, Patrick, what do you want to tell us about?
About the capital and...
You want to do capitals first. Okay, now.
And then...
Let's do capitals first.
And then...
Okay, let's do capitals first. Hold on. All right. Now, what's the capital of Washington?
Olympia.
What's the capital of Texas?
Austin.
What's the capital of Louisiana?
Baton Rouge.
What's the capital of Delaware?
Dover.
What's the capital of Idaho?
Boise.
What's the capital of South Dakota?
Peoria.
Pierre?
Pierre.
Okay. What's the capital of Illinois?
Springfield.
What's the capital of Virginia?
Richmond.
What's the capital of Maine?
Augusta.
What's the capital of Arizona?
Phoenix.
Oh, wow. What's the capital of Oklahoma?
Oklahoma City.
What's the capital of Kentucky?
Frankfurt.
What's the capital of Florida?
Tallahassee.
Good job. Is it safe to say that you know all the capitals?
How
You know
about
all the
Germany?
capitals. Now we'll do some country ones. What's the capital of France?
Paris.
What's the capital of Germany?
Berlin.
What's the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
What's the capital of Mexico?
Mexico City.
Very good. What's the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Excellent. What's the capital of England?
London.
Good job. What other kinds of capitals do you know?
I know. Russia. Russia.
What's the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Very good.
I know Australia.
What?
Canberra.
Very good. What else do you like to tell us about?
China.
What about China?
Beijing.
Excellent. How about Japan?